is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a pack from Amazon I've received today. So let's see what we have in this pack. So you can see I have here Apiker water flusher, healthy life is smart for teeth. So if you want to clean your teeth, especially you don't want more plaque, marks, anything at your teeth, this is a good, more safe way you can do that. If you use some device bad, you can have pain for a long time, or you can destroy your teeth and tooth. So here you see water reservoir capacity, cleaning 360 degree, 3-minute smart timer, pressure settings. Without any further ado, let me unpack this one. After fighting a bit, I could open. Here we go. Lovely. I see the machine already. I see something here as well. This should, I think, goes out as this, and here is the machine, guys. Okay, something is coming out, doesn't matter. So I will take one by one out the whole machine. Here we go. And we'll go to this later. Let's see what we have inside. We have the bottom where it sits and a big manual to read. If you have time, you can read how to use another stuff. Put one side. Take out this bag from here. This is the top part. Here we go. So here is the okay. It's something you see when it sits, it stays. Here you see the motor. This should be, and here we have the knob. With that you can control the pressure. This surely will go to the mouth. You see here you have on and off button. Lovely. Here you can adjust and release. This is the plug. Quite long cable, I think is good one. Let's go to the other part. This one you see here, and inside I think the water should go inside this place. Okay, and you see here inside I have that all this tool flusher, if I'm not wrong, there inside the pack. So you see different type of flusher in this case. Cutting this one a little bit from here and take out some of them. You see here is something else. I don't know how to use this one, to be honest. You can put them here after which one you are using, as this as a set. Many type of tool, guys. You have to check which one is more useful for you. This is a brush. They have many type of heads, a big variety of heads, and this will be the destination of this product. Should you stay at your toilet, wherever you are using. Very lovely product indeed. In my next video I'm going to show you how you can use this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.